Hi guys, welcome back and welcome to week 7 of digital learning. So just like last week, we're going to do a choice board format this week. You can complete up to 1 assignment per category in order to earn your grades for the week. So our first category is this yellow section, it's reading. I'll go over each assignment briefly like I did last week. So your first option is to click the Education Still Pays article. This is in Springboard if you have a copy of your Springboard book, but it's also available right here. So you would read this article. It's pretty short. Make sure you look at this graph at the end, and then you would answer these analysis questions. Remember that in order to write in a Google document, you need to click File and make a copy, or you can download it. So you can download it right here and open it as a Microsoft Word document, or you can click Make a Copy and it'll create your own Google Doc. And that is what you will do in order to be able to write in this form. Once you're done, you'll submit it submit it to your teacher, and that is that assignment. The second option is to read the article Court Rules Students Have a Constitutional Right to a Basic Education. So you click right here. The article is available right here. You would read this article, and then this chart is the same as last week. It's making connections to the text. So you would make a text to self connection, pull a quote from the text, make a connection with your own personal life or experiences or a friend or family member's experiences. Then you have text to text connection. So think about something that we read in 9th Lit, including your independent reading, and make a connection there. With this article, I would think closely about Bronx Masquerade and see if you could find a connection there. And then your text to world connection. So think about a current or historical event. Think about things you've learned in history class, things like that as far as this article is concerned. So again, make a copy or download, fill this chart out, submit to your teacher. And then your last option is a poem. So you click here and you can select any poem that interests you. It's the website Poetry Foundation. So you can search by author, topic, etc. And then when you're done reading your poem, you'll probably have to read it a couple of times. You'll complete this chart. Notice that you are going to copy and paste the poem into this box. Your English teachers know a lot, but they don't know every poem ever written. So make sure you give them a copy of the poem so that they can use that to review your work and provide feedback. So that is your third reading option. Just like last week, all of these options are worth 15 points. So just do whichever one interests you in order to do your reading points for the week. Next, we have our writing section. Just like last week, your first option is worth 30 points. So if you're looking to boost your grade a little more, doing this 30-point assignment is going to help. In this one, you'll read the article Why College Isn't and Shouldn't Have to Be for Everyone. So you'd click right here. The document pulls up. And then you would write a CEI-EI answering this question. How does the author support his claim that college shouldn't have to be for everyone? So what you're going to do is you're going to find 2 pieces of evidence that he uses and explain how that supports his claim. So that is your CEI-EI option, 30 points. If you need assistance with this, if you have questions about the question, reach out to your teacher. They would be glad to help. Your second option in writing here is to read this article. This is another New York Times article. It talks about what do you miss most about your life before the pandemic. So you're going to use this article as a model text. And what you'll see is that they have a picture of life before the pandemic. And then they have about 4 paragraphs explaining why this picture is important, what they miss, etc. So if you click right here, you have your prompt. Pick an image that reminds you of something you missed from before coronavirus, and you're going to copy and paste that image there. And then using the article as a model, write a description of the image, an explanation of why this moment, idea, image is important to you, and how you feel thinking about it now. Based on the models, this should be 3 to 4 paragraphs. So that's your second rating option. That one's only 15 points. So again, it's not going to have quite as much bang for your grade. And then lastly, your third option is to write a letter to an upcoming 9th grader. Thinking about those kids from Loving Good and Lost Mountain that will walk into Hillgrove in August. What should they know about high school, 9th Lit, growing up and give them advice as they prepare to tackle the new challenge that is high school. Think about, what do you wish somebody had written to you, this time last year? And so again, you would write that and submit it to your teacher. Then we have our speaking and listening section. The first assignment is to watch Remarks to America's School Children. This is a speech that President Obama gave on the first day of school during his one of the years during his presidency. So you would watch this speech and then go to Flipgrid, provided 1 to 2 minute review. Think about, what is your biggest takeaway? So what is something that you can take away from the speech and apply to your own life? And then do you agree or disagree with the premise of his speech? So again, 1 to 2 minutes, your Flipgrid code will be right there. Your second option is to create a day in the life video. Make a video under 3 minutes describing a typical day in your life during these times. So thinking about, what does digital learning look like for you and your family? How do you relax? How do you help with your family? And I talked about this last week, but if you need a video editing app, Adobe Spark, which works on your phone or on the computer, you already have an account. It's your computer login for school and your password for school, and that's a really great way to edit videos. Some of you did a really good job last week using that tool. So that's an excellent tool to use. I am really looking forward to seeing these videos. And then your last option is the exact same as last week, which is find a new TED Talk about a topic you're interested in. So don't watch the same TED Talk. You need to watch a different TED Talk on a topic you're interested in, and then fill in this chart. So again, that's the exact same assignment as last week. So if you didn't do it last week or you did do it, it's here again. And again, you'll submit all this work however your teacher normally asks you to submit work. Please keep reaching out to your teacher, asking questions. If you need help with anything, please make sure you take advantage of being able to contact your teacher. I hope you guys have a great day. Hope you enjoy this work. Find something that speaks to you. And that's it. Bye.